Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and we will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter C. Sound of the letter C is K. Cat. K. Cab. K. Can. K. Caught. Cat, can, caught, cab. Let's learn few more words. Cap, coin, couch, coin, couch, cap. Let's learn about few animals. Calf, cow, camel, let's learn about few vegetables that start with letter C. Cucumber, cauliflower, cabbage, capsicum. Cucumber, cauliflower, cabbage, capsicum. Sound of the letter C is K. C-U-T, cut. C-A-R, car. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-N-E, cone. C-A-M-E-R-A, camera. C-A-L-L, call. C-A-N-D-Y, candy. Cut, car, come, cone, camera, call, candy. These are the words that start with letter C. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.